If you see this video here, so at even I what you there? You might go over Sabia, you might go what you there. You already did the center between Mama Titi and Mommy Titi. Mommy Titi they go, don't even know what happen. Me already they observe Mama Titi from afar. Me call it the center. As me enter said, Mama Titi called it like, Madam. Me already know what happen. Now we call it tell Mommy Titi say, Mommy Titi just they go. Mama Titi is okay, it's okay. So thank God say evidence of video day. You are so biased. I witnessed this one. I witnessed some with my crow eye. So listen.
Wow, it's good, brother. Brother, I think you see me go beat you. Brother, wait, now we the wrong to go. Brother, I say you see me go beat you. Where the wrong to go? Oh, you're not going to do it.
How are you?
You don't grow past you. Look, when I move away, you don't grow past you. Should we go beat you? I can see by seeing you go red. Brother, be careful. We are not age mates. If you record me, I will beat you.
Meanwhile, this one I say Colo. Me not even forget to even wear jacket again. Because as me see the house, if not be me, this fight for happen. You not get this fight for not to happen. The anger of Mommy Titi yesterday on our sister Mommy Titi, if not be me, we hold this first fight. Because the second of the video, me that they do MC already. So don't not come to who wait again because I believe say anger to the reduce. And they come on. Then I come the whole fight. It come like I said they employ me as MC and to whole fight.
No. Oh, Jesus. You know that she's fighting for you, they're wrong. Why you come over here and say you won't fight? Now you just have to. Why yes? Not the any hand of the power you mama, you know the side. Not the other person. Not the other person. You the wrong, they go. No, it's not wrong with you. You don't fight. No. Now you just be talking to me. My dear, you want to you went. If the boy was at the police for our family, what have we not been intimate? We not been intimate. I know they call you from that side. So they do not make a move from the now to enter their shule. Not the shame. Who told you enter their shule? Who told you enter their shule? Who told you enter their shule?
Please. Who you are? I the old mama. I call the old picking. All those boys where you did the other side, as I call the rich, they know some. All those boys where you did the other side, as I call the rich, all of them leave me put for inside the matter. I can feel the fat. If I'm not.
Do you know what Abitua is? Do you know what Abitua is? Who do you think you're talking to? 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 Because of people like you and big bucks, you know. Who do you think you're talking to? You have the guts and the mouth.
All right. Now, my people, let's say the way it is. Well, know me. I was friendly to them at that particular point because I don't need to come and raise my voice. Because number one, I happen to be the master of ceremony. in that occasion. As at when me take the hold this fight, person when they do party don't they ask of me. When I go call me Enogie, in one come aside, he no see Enogie. I send the person go back to him and say, tell them say I did come. He get they happen for outside. This is not all about peacemaking. I will never do party before. I no understand say to fight for party is wrong. This one now not be saying I'm a material D. Even if say person tell you say if I see you I'll beat you. But not be for party. If I for leave them, a lot of calls they come since if I for leave them. If you do party, may they spoil your party with fight in Jesus' name. Write amen put. If you cannot write amen to this, then you are biased as a human being. Because that guy who do that party yesterday was very angry. But I later calm him down. See, I made peace. There was no fighting. There was nothing. As at when this fight one call, party never start. Oh, people just they come in already. I swear to God who made me. If not for the fact that I was intelligent to know that something will happen. And police come, that party for no hold again. Automatically, because of the grievance between two people, party where they use thousands of euros to do could go down the drain. Because that bloodshed for happened there yesterday. Una when they talk say, pa, if for let that happen, if you do party, they go use fight spoil your party in Jesus' name. May they fight in your party in Jesus' name. May they scatter your party with fight in Jesus' name. There was no fighting, but I was angry in my spirit. I was not happy with what happened yesterday. If you see body for normal life or after party, say party don't finish, now that thing happen. If I'm not trying to pay me like that, I'll say, okay, the party don't already finish. Party never starts. Some people, they write me, a panara side, as far there is a party in there, and outside, and after the fight, police they come, this party is hereby closed down. So now police go for come enter party where they use money to carry. Oh, can't tell everybody make they rouse, everybody go out because there is already a bloodshed. I am not happy with what happened yesterday. I don't know if the people they do party know say they are to get issues. That I don't know. But even if, for example, invite their two, these are not children, these are adults. And it has to be done in a matured way. It's not all evidence you prove. You get some evidence where you don't need to prove. Titi, you are very, very wrong. What happened yesterday was something that shouldn't have happened. Because the plan was for that girl to slap Mommy Titi.
Innocent, how are you?
Retaliate, then it will not be a big problem. Mommy Titi, you are very wrong. Anybody that is clapping for you, may they fight in their party in Jesus' name. Is a prayer I will pray for everyone. Because now they never spoil the party with fights. Now they look and say na normal thing to fight for party. Now when you don't use money to host party, at the end of the day, you want to do the dance, they come spoil them. And then you go know. Say, it is very painful for you to use thousands of euros to do something. Then because of your problem, where I don't know as soon as I get, come spoil my party. I remember vividly when Sigwa Bado and Alima and some other people go scatter somebody's birthday. I see the way a lot of people take attack and then I quarrel with Sigwa that time. I still tell the man, see what the man do, see what the man do. Because that one, now that man still using and cause wetin made that fight happen. But this one now not even know what did happen. This man here, they feel say, oh, my daughter 1 year birthday. Not be adult birthday, oh. Not be adult birthday, oh. Daughter birthday. And so therefore you fight, spoil that party. You feel the thought say you support her because after all, not be you do party, so you do not have anything to lose. But on the day when you go do party, fight happen. You go know say fight na the most worstest thing wey you fit take spoil person party. Most especially for Europe. For Nigeria now, they fit drive una to come outside. Una go buy una self for that side. But for Europe, police go feel say that place is no longer safe for everyone. So everybody should go home. It might look funny. It might look as if maybe why Enogie go hold them because of the issues that you have with either Mommy 3D or Mommy Titi. But the truth must prevail. Mommy Titi, that was very wrong of you. Even in your daughter's presence. Even in your daughter's presence. Very wrong. Very, very wrong. Thank God I was there at that particular point to help peace problem to that issue. If not, that party for no hold. Okay, now, Mama Titi, imagine say that party no hold. So the people who do party now will come tell you, thank you for spoiling their party. A lot of people came from different countries all over the world. One man come from UK, he even give me pants. Yeah, show now. May God bless that man. Give me pants. He pass anyway. He give me 20 pounds. I keep am. I say, see. He even get one where he come from. I don't know whether I don't know whether he fall. Swiss France. They say get one. So he give me Swiss France. See. A lot of people come from different countries yesterday. I'm not happy. This issue of you and Mommy 3D, that's something when they be saying, you are married to another man, and Mommy 3D is married to your ex-husband. Your husband now go to see say you the fight. Your ex-husband, new wife. Your husband will not be happy with you. 100%. Say my wife now, single mother now. Okay? The man where that children fed born for. New wife. You will come see my wife now, the fight with that one for party. It will bring big problem for me and now. It will bring big problem for me and now. All Enogie fans worldwide, when you people want to say the truth, let's say it the way it is. When you people are saying no level, I stand with Mommy Titi, meaning you people are biased. I put it to you all, except the ones who not thought say stand by Mommy Titi. I went to that party as an MC. If you people are telling me that what happened yesterday is good, any judgment I do from now henceforth, nobody should question me. Because it becomes like say, now the one we are not like, no one understand it. So I have every right now to do anything and nobody's going to question me. If you people are saying that you start with Mommy Titi and cannot tell Mommy Titi that what she did was wrong, then I cannot do anything and nobody's going to question me. Because what happened yesterday was something that is not supposed to happen. Mommy 3D was not wrong. Mommy 3D was harmless. Mommy 3D not even like get the man to even fight. Because if the matter pass like this, una way they say una stand with us, una not go follow her pass there. I know the way social media be. That's why when I initiate 50-50, some of you were saying, we're not going to do 50-50, but today, a lot of you are proud of me that we did 50-50. What is wrong is wrong. I mean, 3D was as harmless as a dove. You can hear in this second video.
Where you go, they know they go come now. As I have dress first, so now come to come. Come.
Don't always tell I'm disappointed in the power. Begin the block now. Now block sharply. On you talk. Anybody who you say I stand with Mommy Titi, I'll block you. It is better for me to have a few fans. Because whenever I'm wrong, una they tell me say I'm wrong. If you don't like I stand with Mommy Titi, I'll block you. No matter how big you are to me, even if you are my biggest gifter, I'll block you. Oh, you stand down. Thursday I stand with Mommy Titi. I will block. I promise with my father's grave. Thursday you stand with Mommy Titi. Right down. When they go wrong, you not tell me, Epa, you are wrong. Epa, you are biased. Okay, you stand with Mommy Titi, yeah. Come, short blocking. Come short blocking. Now I will say stand with Mommy Titi. Wait on him, they block the first. Olivia, you are blocked. Move ahead, go. Oh yeah. Who they come again? Congratulations to Mommy Titi. They block the first. I will block all of Nataya. Oh yeah. Because people are biased. But they're biased. Freedom of speech is oh yeah. Freedom of speech for best party. Oh yeah, the right. Oh yeah, now the right now. These are the joke. Oh yeah, the right. Congratulations, Mommy Titi. Yeah. Mommy Titi for president. Block. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, now. Agbere. These are the joke. We stand by Mommy Titi. Oh yeah. Block. Next. This is blocking mode. Freedom of speech for what? For Percy Party. Block. Freedom of speech for Percy Party. Block. That day to support Mommy Titi. Oh yeah, now. Agmere nia. Start with Mommy Titi. Oh yeah. I stand with Mommy. Oh yeah, now. That day to support Mommy Titi. Since you cannot say the truth, block. You never know me. Man, when we go do something, you not say you are biased. I'm not the offer any comment session. Oh yeah.
Now bear wait.
Wait on here, they block people. But that's not fair. Wait on it, wait. I beg, wait on it, wait. Get what they do here, I beg. Oh yeah, now. And they focus on the blocking mode. I'm not saying you hail Mommy 3D. I am not saying you should hail Mommy 3D. But when you say the truth, you say it. Because in Mommy 3D, now I got fed to Mommy 3D yesterday. Social media for that bust. This is what I experienced. With my 2 eyes. People use thousands of hotel to party. Yeah, block. Queen V, you are blocked. Move ahead. Yeah, wait again. Titi to the world, I prococon here. Proco to the world, block. Yeah, I go block all of now.
You don't do a big.
Yeah. Talk now.
See, my people, so that's we don't need to use sentiment to talk at all. Both of
Abel, hold on. You support to slap Albert. Yes, I support to slap Albert because Albert was insulting the Omonobanedo, our second God.
Yeah.
If Abba get issue with that guy, say not throw back to palace, I'm not going to support. Yes, I supported Abba because Abba, he was throwing insult to our monarch. This issue of Mommy 3D and Mommy Titi is issue of one-on-one. That one not concern me. It was throwing insult to our monarch. So I got to support that slap. Because our monarch is our second God, even for Europe, for United Kingdom. Yes. You don't throw mouth to King Charles. Which way boy doesn't say throw mouth to King Charles? And they ask, no, baby, block. SAS, block. On the talk, what you want to talk?
Sometimes no need to use sentiment TikTok. You support you give
SAS,
Mommy 3D
block.
wrong. You give Mommy 3D
Get
wrong.
out.
Not me say you the verse of Mommy 3D.
Move ahead.
You give Mommy Titi her wrong. Not me say you the verse of
Continue
Mommy
blocking.
Titi. When would they really do saga that
Block.
time? We go to tell ourselves say, if I see you, I go beat you. If I see you, I go beat you. That person when my oga dey talk, if I see you, they beat you. And they tell my oga if you want go party, I beg, if you see that person party, not really go touch am. Na Europe we dey. My oga go say no. I say you no fair can't touch me. Where piss me off for this video?
Block.
When Mommy Titi call it, Mommy Titi say, as I push you 2 times, why you not talk? Mama, you are bigger than that. You are bigger than that. If Mommy Titi na you all do for this video, the way me go tell Russia, all of them go they say, Mama Lara, you feel the verse for this woman. How you go out there, grown up, go say, yeah, as I rush you 2 times, why you not, why you, as I push you 2 times, why you not talk? For the president of your own daughter that you new complete 18, what are you teaching that young girl? You they let her they know, say, anybody wrong you can easily fight her. As a mother, this is not the time where we go hate this one or hate this one. We have to say the truth because you will do your pikin party tomorrow.
Block.
How you go reach party, you don't see person, you don't trust her, go and say, you want to go fight her, say, you see, you want to go beat me. A man you have not married to for 30 years, you have even get back to another man. If your husband see this one, I say, make that man feel. Una many women, man, not feel the turtle. Una many women, man, not feel the turtle. Jesus Christ. Mommy. I see that video that was ashamed. Yeah, a grown-up woman for 50-something years old. You want to fight for party? Oh my God. Mommy, you let me get you stuff.
Oh my buddy. Okay, the rest will remain on my fans. You see, one thing I hate in life. I hate whereby you don't consider for people. I hate it whereby you don't consider for people. You spend thousands of euros to organize events. At the end of the day, somebody go come from one place. You go come use party to spoil your party. You use fight to spoil your party. If you want to do anything to anyone, you do it in a diplomatic way. Mama Titi know where Mommy 3D dey. You know the city when he dey. If they want to really fight, why not go to a city and fight her? Why must you do it in someone's party? Why? Why must you do it in someone's party? To cause pain and tears to that person. Some of you are happy. Because why? You don't get anything to lose. You don't have anything to lose. Because why? All you want to see na fight. There are people that are here. They are here, may they can't use some of them. They are depressed. So they need something where go to entertain them. They need something that will entertain them. So for that simple reason, they are here. If you like, you fight. If you like, you naked. They are here to say, ha ha. But until the thing happened to them. Not be the other day, person called us say, please, don't say anything, no. Now social media be this, but now another people, when you tell they enjoy yourself, they drip on me. But when it's not time for people to talk about you, you go no say na social media. Even tomorrow, if I come live, anybody talk this, I'll block that person. Bring the comment section back, moderator. What you do of the comment section, bring that comment section back. Let me by myself, go bring them back. What happened yesterday? It paid me too much. The thing pay me, you will that is block. You will that is block. You will that piece block. I'm here to apologize to the people who do something yesterday. Although I made peace. So I'm here to say sorry to those couple who celebrate their daughter 1 year birthday yesterday. I'm so sorry for the inconveniences because now man no can reach ground again. And I want to make this clear here and now. Mama Titi, I beg you with the name of God. You see that thing repeat itself yesterday? Don't let it repeat itself again. It might look like joke because not be you spending money. I hear say you want to do the twins' birthday for October. You told me yesterday. Then for that twins' birthday for October, person use fat spoiler. You will never forgive that person. Adiola block. You will never forgive that person. Never. You will never forgive that person. Man wey call police for me for Akobe show is paralyzed today. A lot of men people go to greet that man, but I did not go and visit that man. The Epa, forgiveness, forgive and forgive. To forgive is divine. I say no. For you to call police, you call Ognosan for me. Say I not register my show. And because of that thing, they scatter my show. I can't use God. I can't use my last money. Money when we supposed to set up people. I can't use that to go carry another. Oh, the next day. At the end of the day, I still do that thing. I'm at it today. I still do that show. But people not going to turn up the way it's supposed to be. People that traveled from far away did not come to that show. They come. My birthday no full. If you see people, we go that show. That man called us and made they close that show. Because I don't license my party. You not consider the millions. You not consider the errors when I use for the show. But may no get cry this night. He spoiled my show for my hand. Go and look at him now. He's paralyzed. They will say, may I forgive that man. Even in death, I will not forgive him. Even in death, I will never forgive him. Please.
Enogie, Pardon, sir. I beg, stop me. I beg, please. Because I'll quick come down. Number one, Enogie. Good evening and good evening to everybody in the house. If I say you don't want me for your platform, number one, you don't like me at all, at all, at all. Not be the kind love way me and my family get to your family. Not be they get back from you. Enogie, you are the kind of person I like so much. And when you are judging like this, you are offending me. Honestly, to God, I don't know you since 2020. No use tribe to judge this matter. I too like you, my brother. Honestly, we have to pray for my we have to pray for my husband. Now there they pull you and your family. If you don't know today. Wait, I cannot get muti and your platform.
Where go for them.
Let's talk. Number one, first thing to your wife. Mama Nora, I respect my husband past the way you respect your own. Honestly. If I be woman will not respect her husband. For years, this woman has been bullying me. I for don't date TikTok, they bully her back. But I keep myself, I respect myself and my beloved husband. I respect my husband past you. Past the way you respect Enogie. That is one. Number two, this lady and your friend, how many times you don't stop and say, no, they saw this woman, huh? You don't do. No matter the issue between you and that woman not be your mate. You don't stop her, Mama Nora. No, you never stop her. I dey see you many times. You never stop her. What did I do to you? Even you a baby new woman, where you know say they're not going to do one to you. What did she do to me and my children? I never go there to spoil anybody's party. That family, ask them, they know me, I know them. We never ever get issue. I never go there to do anything. Even the time with you, I even tell me, say she get party. I will tell her and say, oh, you know, quit tell me. But I don't know, say she invite her. You understand? I don't even know, say she invite her. So, reaching there, I already get her from anywhere where I see her, I go beat her. Not because of, say, na party. One, I don't know her city, oh. Now she carry more to come meet me for my city. The day where they walk, I not see her. Or long to go. I they not go us. A Christian here, you know go us. That is number one. Number two, I don't do anything inside her. Now outside. I was expecting you Enogie. The way me say they say, even my husband said, they tell me, say, the way they wash Enogie, you'll be like, say, you know, they feel wash any other person again. And as you know the comedy way they do. You know, sag and a comedy. But now you are just like, telling me we don't need you on our platform. When that girl, they insult my own daughter. Now, my daughter felt trauma to go give her. My daughter not talk for the first time, Enogie. Now, she talk and say, why my daughter go from Ria Schule, enter, why she go from Gymnasio, enter Ria Schule. Now, my daughter say, you said what? Why is she insulting my daughter? Why she not respect herself? First time when she dey see her stepdaughter. Why she not respect herself? Even if me, because I already have anger in me, full. My brother, now life vida for the talker. I not calm like that, oh. Now children make me calm, I tell you yesterday. My children is what bring me to this stage. When I thought they born, now I can't reduce myself. Reduce them small. Ask of me, they go tell you. And secondly, my position for church. And I don't still know people where. My brother, they not go born that game insult me for these years. Where should they insult me if I have not embraced Christ? You see me yesterday, do I look like a dog woman? Do I look like a pushover woman? No, answer me, Enogie. This one is between me and you, my brother. You are my brother, I can never deny that.
I just want you to finish. That's why they give
Do
you
I
the
look
platform.
like a woman that my fellow woman can easily push without respond? No. No, my brother, no. And another statement you use, say, if my husband with their house, you come they fix it. If they talk to you for back. Me, I chose some word for you yesterday. What did you tell me? You say now this one you for start to the talk now. You know what in this body carry we never voice out. You know what this belly consume where I never vomit. There are things that I cannot say in the public. I feel so bad. Yeah, I just feel so ashamed to myself to talk and come and say, ex-husband do this to ex-wife without I not hold and cover. I not put her for trouble one day. Enogie, I beg you in the name of God. You see, if you won't take judgment of this, yesterday, true, you do fatherly something. If you were not there, again, if na ambulance go carry her. That 2 times I push her, not lie. I go lie. I'm not go lie now. I pushed her. You say you go beat me. Wetin make me not call your marriage? Those are the things I was avoiding. Your marriage, marriage Enogie. My husband, they owe me, owe me. To the extent, I even carry on a picture. I give cameraman, ask her, may do frame for me. May I take do gift for now. Though because of her nonsense, I have to separate myself for some certain things. Could you imagine? You see that these are Genocide Foundation. May I tell you things where I don't sacrifice for all these idiot people. Genocide Foundation, ask and say, Mrs. Suwadia. I started that foundation when I was that time we know even like the man. Now me fed, ask Genocide, he will tell you. Every month, you know me. But because of say they don't go there, I have to separate myself. So should I be indoor because of one bastard out there? Should I be indoor because of one idiot? Should I be indoor because of a runaway father who left his responsibility for another man? Why can't you talk about it? When you saw my daughter yesterday, how do you see her? Did she look ugly? Did she not look kept? Or come on, Agba Ogea?
for 12 years? Where is the idiot man for 12 good years? Anywhere where I see, I go beat some, my brother. No verse. Ogbalegbe arebede. Ebede ya agbede ni am your da fun eh. The day where I go see her husband, Ọlọ́run waja go slap her. If I not slap Christian Igebo, me I ask myself what it costs. Now make the battle start. Make the battle start. They say too much of something is bad. I have grown-up children. That is why I quiet. Even your wife cannot take this for 12 good years. She can't. She can't bear what I bear.
Okay.
Eseti.
Are you done, my sister? You are done. Okay.
Nora. Please, more
Mama
wine
Titi.
in mature will allow.
Mama Titi, wait. You don't finish, right? Make a talk. First and foremost, all these things you say now, how you can take consent person when you do something?
Mama, you speak for yourself.
Okay.
I can be it. As far as I'm married with another man, I've started
Wait,
to
wait.
be there. I can
Ere
be
Nora
there.
mutia you all day your body. Who let's say where
You
be able to have day your
see the question for money, but there is something about it. Their body is in my body. Or we bury my madam. And no, there's a mother. If your present your daughter is, you were really wrong, madam. Truth or be told, them umare no biene. Who want green about?
This matter come before.
And you are afraid of it that you will beat her, you will beat her, you will beat her. How could you? It's a way. Madam, you are bigger than this, madam. You are bigger. If you respect your husband, you don't say that rubbish yesterday, madam. You claim you are respecting your husband. If you respect your husband as a woman of God, you claim you will not try that action yesterday. Truth of be told, they are clapping for you, Nana. They are clapping for nonsense. Economy, what you wear like, madam.
You should start doing saga.
What
You
are
should
you
start doing
teaching her?
saga.
You are
You are
teaching
doing saga in the front of your children as well. You start doing saga in the front of those younger, those our angels. You start doing saga. You are teaching them another thing too. You know, I know the year you be let's say they muted. You understand? Yeah, Nora. You to start doing saga.
Now, Mama Titi, wait.
Respect
Now,
Enogie.
your name. Mama
They will
Titi,
learn
calm
from
down.
you.
Calm down. Mama Titi, calm down. Mama Titi, all these things you said now, say for 12 years, they bullied you, they do this, they do that, but not at the detriment of somebody's party.
Now we are for
Because
Lasha.
now money that person take do party.
No,
He
we
won't
don't
get
let
money
the
with
fight go
party.
now. No, we're mad getting to where daddy.
Yes, but what about I wish I not observe? Now what
I wish me and you now come
wish
the
I
day
not
follow
observe.
me. You for let me
Eh.
go meet for where you car. They were paying you motor push and enter inside car. You don't let me go. Now make me walk out come up for inside hall.
If you can't do that thing now, when I can't fight or blood come.
We don't fight. You say I beat him. But I seen they just look like person get power.
You beat
Already.
him. You beat him. It be a level, not be a level. Police come there. You sure say that party will still hold again? As a Christian that you are, Mama Titi, be sincere to yourself. Say, I read that fight
Yes,
happen yesterday.
wait. Now you want to talk about the Christian. Let's talk about the Christian aspect. Number one.
No. That party go hold is a question. Yes or no?
One, yes,
go
it go
hold.
hold. Why? Why? The
tell
party
me.
the party did distance of where she park her car. We'd already crossed like 2 kilometers.
So you now,
or 1
Mama
kilometer.
Titi, for
Okay,
all the
wait.
years you have spent, Mama Titi, wait, for all the years you have spent in Germany. So you
In
believe say
abroad,
police
don't say
come.
abroad.
You believe say okay for abroad. You believe say police come control say two people they fight, and they can't see say party they close to that place. So you believe say police not go there.
You sure say if me one fast, I follow and yes, I go push and pass where we in the. I go push and go far. I know where I won't go beat and I make me suffer
But
follow.
truth-
Nora, may she just go buy you wine. See, no, I know you want your judgment. Your judgment, I don't like her. You know, see, my brother, I know your judge for judgment. I know you're going to talk.
You might not like my judgment.
Well,
That's
yesterday,
true.
you don't know what he play. Why you can't do it? They don't go call you for WhatsApp again.
No, nobody.
Well,
Mama
when I
Titi,
land, why don't you tell me not come
Mama
out?
Titi, nobody for this life go fit give me any money go take close my mouth. You see that what you do yesterday?
You tell me come
If
they
my
tell you
mama-
say Enogie
if my
where you
mama
look
Titi-
and all of the anime. When I land
Mama Titi, wait. Mama Titi, I told her not to go outside. And she obeyed me because I know say you yesterday ready for fight. And I was trying to
beat her.
protect
Points of correction.
her.
I won't beat her. If
Again.
some people do something, you beat her now to correct her.
Person where you want beat, not be fight with that one. You want beat her more, you want fight her
I won't
more.
beat her for the bad thing when they do for social media. You go correct.
Okay,
You
but
go
what
correct
about,
himself.
But what about the party? What about the people? Because the truth of the matter is that I wish that when I felt yesterday or you beat according to you, my sister, that party would have been closed. And you see
Me I
what?
dey calling here because if they tell me say they invite her, I for not even come. I for buy clothes, but I no come.
That was the first time when I see for real life after many years, right?
Wait, the first time where I see her, Enogie, you know why I really want to be that girl yesterday. You know, they said when so I want to cannot respect it, but everybody need to respect himself. I don't first see her for party. That party that day, I go with my husband. You understand? Then now my former church pastor, I say me my husband carry and go with your own wife. So all of us did the party. On a serious note, I don't know those people who do party. I don't know them. I also be there my day. You they do video. You know, I even video them. So I don't talk, I don't meet them, I don't cause them. Even mommy just did the party. Now she first tell me say, Mama, the girl did the party, blah blah. Already we don't day road. You understand me? So now so I take go. I don't even talk anything about the party. Before you know her, this girl don't come out. The next day they tell me say, me see her for party because I post the video. Normally in a live video I do. That where I did the party. So she don't come out, come they ranting you. Say me see her for party. Me can't go hide. I can't go they cry. Of waiting now. The man, this girl math not good. I need to use slap sellotape. Waiting. No, forget it.
Okay,
You
Mama
can't
Titi,
wait. Oh, wait. Now I know I never finish.
Okay, continue.
So she come they talk for live video say me come they cry. And then he come see me with lace where me wear, with sponge where I wear. You know we solo, but me I be not cry yo. I be just they do my whole live video, normal live video. Where we are for come they cry, where I come they cry for. As she get belle, the reason because me I love children. I can never hurt somebody's child because I know how pain it is to bring up a child, even to carry pregnancy self. She get belle oh, I no fight oh, I no insult her, I no talk oh. Now she can't use me do video. The second time I take see her for Muhain, she with a sermo bag. If you see she dey drag her. Now my husband they drive me they go. My Ghana person will be say, you know the green, the mat too they block me. You know they agree, you understand? So I tell my husband say, go see Rhoda. Because of say Rhoda, they get one shop where they there for Moan, where they always they buy Africa Fanta. My husband you know your weight, they say I beg. I don't trust you. We'll go Kumasi. Now we go Kumasi. So inside me, inside me, I know that something is loading. You say when you talk for live video that day, I was just calm, like calculating myself. So now we are for scenes, and that one, now that place and just opportunity grant.
Now, Mama Titi, you and Rhoda, who is older? You?
I'm older than her. But when it comes to insult,
Adam, you are older than her by age. The best way they party, they are like your younger ones. That one and one. Imagine say Papa say Mama born those parents who do their children birthday yesterday. Automatically, you as an elder sister today, you need to calm down. See, you know where she did for Germany. You know the city where she did.
I don't know where she did. I know where they. I don't know. Okay, now
you tell you say they Cologne. Then
I don't know where they do.
When before they do this thing for verify the city, go wait for her.
Now I do special announcement. Enogie.
To verify the city.
Wait now, special announcement. Me I send message to Rhoda. Rhoda, where you get belle, you and your husband drive come my city. Say una won't come beat me. That day I did work. From work I can't go one invitation like that. I no so na come. I beg you in the name of God. This time you not get belle. May you come, you and your husband and your children. I go help those children. I go give them to twins. May they take care of them. May me and you and your husband stage, both you and your husband, 2 in 1.
When I tell you that day say, when I tell that day for this platform say, may you they do your own, may the other one they do their own. She be peace be this is all this way.
How many video you don't see where she tell insult me on Friday? You don't see the video. She dey insult me now. Me.
I know say as I talk, put I must still get 1 or 2 banters. I know, but
no, me no come talk now. I no come talk. Ask anybody. I not talk since then. She dey talk. I dey see her videos. She dey throw me video. She dey do video. She even do video Friday. She dey do video bomber to bomber. Enogie, see her.
My sister,
Enogie, wait. You be Urom, your mama na
You
Urom, your papa na
you are
Bini.
my sister.
Be careful now, I want to spark.
We are not, it's not Uromi. This has nothing to do with tribe. This has nothing to do with tribe.
Walk
My
be anyway, why
my
put
dad
it?
is
If
my
me
dad
walk
is
be.
from Edo.
We are put it.
You are Edo, you are my Edo sister. Mommy Chiri Dina still my Esa sister. Also say my mom. Na still Esa. But
Me
that
have more
doesn't change
party
the
where
fact
man
that
yo they play.
that
Yeah,
doesn't
you know
change the
when I
fact
go cash am.
that
You
I
know.
pray make people still stand by me for them. Maybe people will still don't owe you for them. Because
Whether you go follow you forever.
the truth of the matter is that see,
Me
Mommy
they
Titi,
beg you yesterday, say bring her come out. We say we are here. You go,
I tell
I
you
don't
me
want
they
go.
go. So may I tell you, I say via and any other time.
No, my vibe here. You don't start.
Via.
No pastor.
When the
No.
now me Titi gather come up for that party yesterday. Because
See, I let her
you
come out.
yesterday, I was not even you. Yesterday, I look you like a gangster. Like person when you be say, not believe you want to call that party. You better say you don't arrange people for corner already.
I know I read Allah want be one man squad though.
The only thing that yesterday was me. I was the reason.
No, you not to
Why
know
did
me
you
and
not
Enogie. Ask
yesterday?
anybody. I be one man squad. I know they carry Zama. I also Zama. I know they carry lots of people.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me
May God not let you hit her.
Yeah,
Now.
what time we were bound you to tanya. Hi.
May God not let you see. May God now you supposed to
Why you not talk the area where she take trauma to my daughter?
Mama Titi.
Why she trauma to my daughter?
Mama Titi, I hear son don't insult una 2 children before in the past. I
Now
heard.
she starts I know they easily insult her children. She posts my children picture. I know they insult the children. Oh.
See,
Even lots
Mama
of times
Titi,
she don't even insult my whole thing now.
Mama Titi, when I saw you yesterday, not be me tell you see I don't see you. When I see you yesterday, not be me come greet you. Talk truth.
Now you can greet me.
What do you tell me? You say, so you know me for real. I say,
I
why
said,
don't
so you know me? Enogie, may I tell you what? Wait. May I tell you how many dance for those see? You see the day where you wear one yellow big shirt, come like an alza. You remember one woman we come meet you for I come meet you, they come inside. I can't shake, I can't say, Enogie, you know me. You say no, mama, I don't know you. You can't say, mama, I better introduce yourself. A lot of people know me. You remember that day? Where I tell you, say, may you not worry. Before you come out, I go introduce myself to you. I not introduce myself. We don't see for each other we don't see for party many times.
But now that yesterday, so now we call you.
Now I because I don't call your platform, I make you know my face, but I know you. Since 2027, where I won't even feel I won't carry for my MC.
Mama
I
Titi,
work again, I don't know I work again.
I beg you in the name of God.
I don't want to beat her
every
because of man. I won't beat her because of my children. And for her to call my present husband, she must pay. Ajay Olohun, she must pay. Why she call my present husband?
If you want to fight
way.
Mommy Titi, fight her outside, not parties.
I said the guy again when I was a Meji. And you strong, oh.
I'm strong.
You strong,
Okay.
Enogie. We're giant working water.
Okay, you will.
A giant is down.
Maybe no, you may you go fight her. You know, say that yesterday.
Enogie where my polo does slack. Wetin una dey do? My polo does slack. Mo na join.
Polo slack, no. That my polo, it cost you.
Polo was slacky. Iye nora jẹ mi awa mi iye nora mi awa iye nora we mi ayi gbeness ya wa gbo kan. O kan we mi awa gbe.
Even that your sister, even your daughter strength, not be beans.
Na bossing she dey do. Na bossing
I
dey do
don't
the
know
both of
too.
them.
Come here and say, now people they fight with me. All those mumu boys, I they call for them. Yeah, we are here. Victor, Anthony, when I agree, now because they look me.
They look na TFO.
People they
Mo na
fight.
join me hold them here. We are not go join me hold them.
People
Mo
they
na
fight.
join me hold them. Mama
If
la
they-
wo go.
I say, my friend, do this one first. Oh boy,
Social media real life.
The truth of the matter is that where real life is not media. Real life.
It's not media.
It's not
Oh,
media.
you are so you know that.
Real life.
Social media real
It's
life.
not media. This type of day, so sometimes in life, try as a person, they observant. Try and be observant. That's all I have to say.
May she buy you wine, oh. May she buy you wine.
Mommy Titi,
With Orome.
this is not about wine. I don't even need money from una two hand to tell the truth. Imagine saying that Mommy Titi did do you that yesterday. I go still tell her yeah.
She
So
not go
Mommy
fit
Titi
can't do me because she see me. She don't even piss for pants. Say
I'll
don't
tell her
set.
to her face.
Her husband supposed
What
tell
you
her
do
now.
it is bad. That's what they do my thing. Yes, you might say the truth and people might not agree with you that moment. But the truth is this. You now, you want to do twins birthday, right? I be you know what carry me for MC again. If you can't carry me
Me,
for
I
MC,
can't give. I go even call and I'll bring cloth more about you and your wife.
person can't spoil that show. You let me know. As you take thick, as you take strength, as you take they do yesterday, well, bust up going on you.
People wait know me, know me. You know, just know. People wait know me,
So
know
why
me.
you want to do it to
My
people?
own part of Christian, may I announce something to you? I'm a born again Christian by the grace of God. But
But you,
my own not
now
be
the Christian when me see yesterday, now the juju will me see, not be the Christian.
wait, not be juju. My own Christian, not be if you slap me for right hand, I'll give you left hand side. Oh no.
Now
Not be that kind of
Obana
Christian.
help me see yesterday. Obana me.
No. If you know me, you
Obana.
know me. See, you
Obana
know,
me,
slap me
you-
for left hand side, may I give you right hand. Oh, my own Christian not be so. If you slap me for
Obana.
once, I'll give you for two sides. So that the dim all day oil go come out.
You, person
know,
slap
I-
me for one second. You like, Matiti, stop.
No,
Yes,
you
I got
don't
you.
hear me. You don't
I'll
get
saga
wait.
you.
I said my own Christian, not be the one where they
Man.
go slap for left, you'll give right or no. If you slap me for right,
Okay.
I go give you for the two side.
Okay. You
I'm
not
not
get.
kind Christian. I don't get time for.
You not gangster. You not gangster Christians. It's okay.
I love a gangster Christian. Go for
I
it.
don't ever tell you see you for wrong. You hear where it never. But yesterday,
And
there's
okay,
something
we
else.
be one, no level. Again, that
Una
is
see
just
this
only
woman
mama
so
like a
when they
family
laugh for
where
you.
like. Boy,
Una
me
see
I
Mama
want
Titi
to
when they
girl.
laugh for yes so. Mama Titi when they laugh for yes so. I will tell now. If you boil water,
Oh, where
this
I
is
go
the
see
way
something tell my man Laura.
you
Oh,
they
my man
laugh for
Laura,
yes
where
so.
you day? Yeah, me time I go come here. So what?
I tell my wife now. This what you have.
Well, I go tell my wife. I go tell my wife, Arisha, my Martin, so you be.
You tell me what now.
That take time. I senior you for
Your
my man, I
daughter.
senior you for age.
Your
Take
daughter.
time.
Your daughter, my husband Richards. Now your daughter they admire say he they see twins for that. Not be twins.
I heard they see audio. That's
My
what
twins.
that's what my audio be. Oh.
Yeah, see our twins
You
for
want
that.
to
Yeah,
go
no,
there?
that woman let work from me. Don't say that. I be my career, my was here, baby kekan. Do you know who we are? Okay, we are
Even
paying
my
you.
wife
You pay
too.
on me, give me.
My wife not dey tolerate, but we can let's take me to a party.
You know, for
can never.
wait, Eren Nora. Before I married, I was once a single mother. A single mother had double strength. The strength of a runaway father, God will add it to the woman and make the woman to have double strength, just as God gave to Elijah.
Which verse that one there for Bible added it?
For-
The verse not
Forget. Yeah, come on. Yeah, you know the WhatsApp. Yeah, come on, my verse. And you don't even Moses. God give Moses double strength now to cross the Egyptians.
Imagine say I be short man. I for tell you yesterday.
I for just from ground. Do you want to where?
You imagine say I be short man. Eh?
Eren Nora, waiting constantly hold and say I never remove shoe. He also supposed to tell her, supposed to give my gist.
You know say all the love video when me go rush you for corner.
They don't
All
video
the
those
video that
places.
say I pin you.
Even when
because
she
I
can't
know say
use Dosh, they insult her. She
pin you
not-
when they pin you. Because I know say anything will make me leave you that moment. Now you go run leave me. I mean wear boots. And they call me microphone fall from my hand. Me go dey pray make microphone. Make it let me take go and see a microphone. In a pay. Hello shim. Hello shim. Hey microphone get the winner. You.
No, I go call cameraman with the wife. No, I know yet. They will go see my house. No.
Call them.
I'll call them. No. I don't even know say they invite her. I don't even know. I don't know. They be my person now.
Call them, yeah.
Me yeah. Enogie wait
How
me
you
you sit
tell
tell her
them?
one thing.
How you tell them? You dey say how
And my city the first day now. Not my city the first day.
you surprised say they still dey related in one way or the other. That's it.
You know when I say no then, now when you do the adverts for cameraman, say if you want to do photo shoot and all that, we share your number. Now your platform for no now.
When I newly
So
bought
we
my tools
just-
that time, I mean,
All the frame where they my parlor, yeah, now you do one for me. Me and they close to them somehow. But no, if I do party, I don't invite the man once. Me, I don't hold anything against them. Oh, true to God. Not be because of you know even dey my mind. No give of a truth. I don't reason now. Say party issue, party side. I don't reason now. My mind had to just catch that girl. One, any wabuni I wa pin weba. That with the mind, we go join so the whole world. Oh, what ye bone ya? Ija. Waiting. You insult everybody, not even only me now. The whole world. What you carry for mind? I won't tear that heart. Me, I see what she carry.
Wait for insult the whole world. Me not the follower.
She insulted all the single mothers. She insulted all the single mothers.
Okay.
All the single mothers. Now that one can't pay me pass. Now I'll not be single mother. I'll be full married woman. And I get peace for my marriage.
But you were once
If like say my
before.
husband, I was there, so I need to back them up because before you find husband with 2 children, my brother, it's not easy. It's not easy. Me, I can't see fine. Now you won't come break one leg where I take stand. Can't they call the man? What do you want tell him? Oh, come and over. No, nah. Every other ones we never find husband. God go give you a husband. He take give me. He go give you a better one. Even though it's not still better 100% to 100 by 100. If he get 50.
What your husband cut up when you see that video?
Way, you know, say if you reach us now, you fair your fair play low. Anything where you see, you know, fair release on that time. You fair go up a paper head. Fair follow a paper place, a paper fana. How you take the assist? You don't. No, I don't do that. Carry around my back.
I can imagine when you get young. When you get younger than this.
When
you
you understand? Follow my husband play.
I can imagine how you take day that time.
People know me well. That time, so I don't too. I'm not too rough. I'm not rough, but just that I don't take nonsense.
You rough.
No, I'm not the rough. Oh. People know me. I'm not the rough. No.
Like
I don't like to say insult elderly people. Like insulting elderly people. I don't like her. Can't insult mothers. I don't like her.
See, I wish maybe
okay, no, may I tell you one pain.
I wish maybe say not be party. I wish maybe not be party. You can't quarrel with me like this. I go understand. But
you know why I don't like people insulting mothers. I lost my mother when I was 9 months. 9 months. So yeah, I was 9 months when I lost my mother. So I appreciate mothers a lot. Can't see one small pikin insulting mothers. And I can't be mother. I know what I passed through. So I imagine what my mother passed through then. One person can't insult mothers. No, now. Get Nishmea.
Okay.
Nine.
Not be because of your ex husband you want to be bitter. Wetin be want make
no,
you bitter?
No. Wetin want make you insult?
We don't settle. We don't quarrel now. We don't settle. Tell me wetin want make you be go bitter yesterday.
Okay, what is still in my mind? That is still in my mind. Very strong. One, she insulting my children, calling my children.
Wetin want make you go bitter?
I won't beat her. That fight they pay me for mad. Now beat.
Okay, tell me wetin want make you go do. Tell me.
Yeah, number one, where she call my children names. She call my children names. She don't call me names. I not too feel am because I'm an adult. You understand? She call my children very horrible names, and I don't like it. She call them names. No. She call them names. That in the pepper me. Two, she call my husband.
I know that
she can't call my present. Yeah, she can't call my present.
You just saga children. You just saga children.
See, Enogie, see, at first, I not start.
Yes or no? Yes or
no? No, I will say the truth. Me, I will always say the truth. At first, but it reached. No, it reached where I can't reach. I can't stop the children because I feel pity for children. Honestly, to God, I don't like her. Person mama and person children, I know they like her. So I can't stop. If I would the time where I take stop, say she stop. You understand now? This thing for don't come off my mind. No, she not stop. She continue.
Why you can't see go the dance near her yesterday?
Away, Mama Titi, up, Mama Titi, progress. Up, Mama Titi, ahead we go. I go to dance. Everywhere now dance, we dance for party now. Not be say the colors.
Why you like go the dance the mirror? When you know so you know the play, will you wear Kai?
Enogie, when I can make a menaka, you me about here to yaori. Me, I don't fear, I don't lie. Now try talk. If you want saga me, Enogie. If you saga me finish for public, me I'll come saga secretly. Not your try. Enogie, not try mo. The like where I get for you and your family, not try mo. No, your try. Now we do fasting for you. Not try, Why you not pressing? Where I go, you finger come on hair for your face.
I don't see that one. No.
Hey, wait, I don't want to test that.
For inside the hall.
For inside her, now she just the answer. Yeah, mama nye high table. You know I cook in liekere, now I pass back. I can't go stand. Now I can't he carry her down. Into the fear. She the fear. Normally she get fear. When he first not to do trouble, you can't the fear.
See, to me,
I not go lie. Now I use finger comot hair
I
for her
not
face.
I not look am like say she dey. I not look am like say she fear.
No, Enogie she the fear. Hey,
That's how you feel.
as I hear comment, wait now,
I-
wait.
Okay.
Me, I'm not the person with the fear. She did both yesterday. As she did both for social media.
You know where for verse wey make me tell you say you wrong. After me don na finish. Me no know say you come go dey wait for her again for the domot. Me don dey do
Enogie,
MC.
you go primary school. You go primary school for Nigeria.
Why not? Why not? Expect my eye.
Okay, you better cause your mama for class. Where you for go with her? You no go with her for outside.
Yeah, that one and that time when you dey small na.
Like we still there. Now that primary school level, now be this one. If na village school, you go wait for them for road off. When you want to pass, go ask. You first tear a book for school. You go this. Why you tear my book? Why you tear my book? You loud and slap. Now be yesterday now. Now moving.
Anyway,
so as I just come out here.
Let people come up to also give their opinion.
If your people want saga me, no, not worry. I did. Okay.
No saga, no problem. Please, Amon, you have anything to say?
Okay, please bring me down.
Okay, please.
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Wesley.
Are you?